Google's Pixel 10 series is on the way, and thanks to a recent leak, we now know what these new phones might cost in Europe. And surprisingly, there aren't many changes when it comes to pricing, at least not in Europe. This leak includes the prices of all four upcoming Pixel phones: the standard Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. On top of that, the leak even reveals the expected price of the Pixel Buds 2a. Let's start with the base model Pixel 10. If you're planning to get the 128GB version, it might cost €899. Want a bit more storage? The 256GB version is expected to cost €999. That's the same pricing strategy Google used with the Pixel 9 last year, so no surprises here. Now for the Pixel 10 Pro. This one comes in more storage options. The 128GB model is expected at €1,099, and it goes up to €1,199 for 256GB, €1,329 for 512GB, and a whopping €1,589 for the top 1TB model. These are premium prices, but again, they are very similar to the Pixel 9 Pro pricing from last year. Moving on to the Pixel 10 Pro XL, a new addition to the lineup. This one starts at €1,299 for the 256GB model. The 512GB version will likely cost €1,429, and the 1TB model could go up to €1,689. The XL branding suggests a larger screen or maybe some added features over the regular Pro model. Then there's the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the foldable phone in the family. This device doesn't come cheap. It starts at €1,899 for 256GB. The 512GB model is priced at €2,029, and the 1TB model could hit €2,289. These prices put it in direct competition with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. Apart from phones, the leak also mentioned the new Pixel Buds 2a. This time, Google may increase the price. The new buds are expected to start at €149, which is a significant jump from the €99 starting price of the previous Pixel Buds series. That's around $170 when directly converted. It's not just a small bump, it's a major step up, so people will likely expect better sound, better features, or both. Now, let's talk about how this all might translate to the United States. While the leaked prices are for the European market, the US pricing could end up being quite different. Why? A couple of reasons. First, there are import tariffs. Google doesn't build its phones in the US, they come from factories in Vietnam, China, or India. Because of that, the phones might be subject to import duties, which could push the final prices higher for American buyers. Google might absorb some of that cost to keep the prices steady, or they might pass it on to the customer. Second, there have already been rumors suggesting that the Pixel 10 Pro XL might be more expensive in the US, while the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might actually become slightly cheaper, but nothing's confirmed yet. And here's where it gets tricky. Last year, the Pixel 9 series already reached premium level pricing. The Pixel 9 Pro, for instance, cost almost as much as the iPhone 16 and the Galaxy S25. If the Pixel 10 gets even more expensive, people might start asking, is it really worth it? Some will say yes, especially if the Pixel 10 brings major improvements in performance, camera, or AI features. Others might only consider it if the upgrades are truly game-changing. But many potential buyers might simply say no and start looking at alternative phones. In fact, in a recent poll asking whether people would pay more for a Pixel 10, over half of the voters said no. Only about 10% said they would definitely pay extra, and around 36% said they'd consider it only if there are great new features. So it's clear that pricing will play a big role in the Pixel 10's success. With all this in mind, it seems Google will try hard to keep the US prices competitive. If they go too high, they risk losing customers to Apple or Samsung. If they manage to offer something truly unique, whether it's AI features, better cameras, or exclusive pixel-only software, it might justify a higher price tag. So what can we expect in Europe? Stable pricing. In the US, a bit of uncertainty. For now, we'll have to wait and see if Google sticks to these leaked numbers or surprises us closer to launch. One thing is for sure, the Pixel 10 lineup is shaping up to be Google's most complete and varied phone series yet. Whether it's the budget-friendly Pixel 10, the high-end Pixel 10 Pro XL, or the futuristic Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Google seems ready to compete on all fronts.